Here we are at Lake Havasu City enjoying the view of the famous London Bridge. Did you know this isn't the original location of the London Bridge? The bridge once spanned the River Thames in London, built in the 1830s. By the 1960s, it had so much traffic that it started to sink. And then in 1968, Robert McCulloch, an American millionaire, bought it and shipped over 10,000 tons of stone to Arizona and rebuilt it in Lake Havasu City, right near what is now McCulloch Boulevard. The construction was completed in 1971. Some of the original stones even have bullet wounds and shrapnel marks from World War II. Little pieces of history that you can see if you look closely. This is a major tourist attraction and you can actually walk across it. It's amazing to think a piece of London history is in the desert. It's definitely worth a visit if you like history and you're in the area. Walk right under the bridge. If you're visiting, you'll also find shops and restaurants to enjoy. The night view here is so beautiful. The lights reflecting on the water is really gorgeous. Thanks for joining us on this little adventure. I hope it inspires you to visit this historic bridge. If you enjoyed this adventure, please don't forget to like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching.